Making transparent header on Shopify is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Shopify in your web browser. Then click on Online Store from the dashboard. After that, tap on Themes from here. Once you get into Themes, click on View Your Store. You can view your store from here. Then get back to the theme page and click on 3 dots. After that, tap on Edit Code. Now search for the header in here. Then click on Header Liquid. After that, open up the Dawn 10.0 site and copy the header liquid file code from here. Now paste it back on the fourth code of header liquid. Then copy another code and search for it. You can get the location of your next code. Then highlight the code from its location and remove it. Now get back to the Dawn site and copy the with following code from here. And paste it back in 159 locations, then click to save the changes. Then go back and copy the next code schema. Once you find its location in your header, then copy the following code and paste it in its location. Then search for sections of all color label schema code. And enter the new copied code in here, then paste it back in color label schema. Once you are done changing everything in the header, search for theme in the edit code search bar. Then copy the code you want to replace with and search for it. After getting its location, copy the new code and paste it back to its location. Tap to save all the changes you made. Then get back to the theme page and click on Customize. Now from here, tap on Header, then tick the Enable Transparent Header checkbox. You can see now the header is transparent, so click to save the changes. Then tap on View Your Store and you can now see the header is completely transparent.